Hi friends, how are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel Garden Lover, and today I'm gonna show you how you guys can care for strawberry plants. Here as you can see that here all my strawberry plants I planted in 8 inches pots, and they're now really growing very well. And I planted them 2 months ago in November, and now it's the beginning of January. Actually, the end of the January is the flowering and fruiting season for strawberry plants. Here, as you can see, the soil seems really dry. Actually, I made really well drained soil for the strawberry plants, and I watered it yesterday, and today already it dried out, and now I have to water it again. Strawberry plants actually don't like much of water or soggy soil, so you have to water it only when the soil seems dry. Because if you overwater the plant, the crown of this strawberry plant will rot, and root also can be rotten. So strawberry plants are really sensitive about water, so you have to be careful about when you water the plants. However, now also you have to remove the runners when it start growing runners. Runners are actually baby plants that strawberry plants produce to make new plants. It's like yes, it's like a baby plants that produce from the crown area. Here, as you can see, a little runner is growing out, so we have to remove it because it will suck all the powers from the mother plant. So to produce more fruits, you have to remove all the runners during the fruiting season. But in the month of September to October, you can propagate the strawberry plants through its runners because strawberry plants can be propagated easily through its runners. Someday I'll show you how you can propagate the strawberry plants through its runners. And especially in the summer season, you have to protect the strawberry plants from direct sunlight. To protect your strawberry plants from the summertime sun, you can place your strawberry plants under a big tree or green net. Also, you have to protect your strawberry plants during the rainy season because strawberry plants really don't like overwatering, as I said before. Also, I planted some more strawberry plants in this permanent bed structure on my rooftop, and these plants are really small now because I propagated these strawberry plants through its runners from the mother plants. That's why they're really small now. Hit the like button if you think the video was really helpful for you, and also you can share the video with your family and friends. Please, it's my request to you guys that please subscribe my channel to be connected. Now it's time to say goodbye.